Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. Up next in this episode, we are going to convert these motor and wheel assemblies into a single Solidworks part. Simplifying assemblies to parts can help our performance. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. I downloaded 2 step files from Vex Robotics. I'll begin with the Omni wheel. After unzipping the download, open the step file from Solidworks. To ensure the step file is imported as an assembly, filter the file type to step. This reveals an option button. Click it. Selecting the option, Import multiple bodies as parts, creates an assembly if multiple bodies are present in the step file. Tip: turning off this option, Import multiple bodies as parts, will create a single multi-body part. The first thing I like to do is change my render style to shaded with edges. Next, I will box select the whole assembly and right-click on any part in the Feature Manager. Select Fix. This locks the parts in space. I prefer to add a little color to differentiate my components. I want the wheel rollers to appear black in the assembly. I can edit the appearance from the context menu, select a roller, and right-click the drop-down next to the color wheel. Click on the color swatch next to the part number. This launches the Appearance Manager. Select black from the color palette, and check the option Apply this at the part document level. Now let's save the assembly as a single part. Click Save and select Part as the file type. Next, I want to import the motor. Following the previous workflow, I imported the motor. Now I just need to insert my Omni wheel part. I will add a concentric mate between the wheel hub and the axle, and apply a coincident mate to the hub and axle faces. I'm done with my mockup. Now I just need to save this as a part. Tip: to economize our file size, I use the option Geometry to Save, Exterior Components. This saves only the visible components and removes internal components. Using the option Preserve Geometry Reference will include all reference geometry as part of the file. It's easy to create SolidWorks models from vendor designs. Saving assemblies as parts is a great way to improve assembly performance. Join me next time as we begin outlining our chassis. Using SolidWorks, our design comes to life for the first time. Thanks for tuning into the series, Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.